You have 5 seconds to answer the question in a comment. Question number 1. What was the old name of Islamabad? Answer: Rajshahi. Question number 2. What was the old name of Sialkot? Answer: Sialkot Shakil Nagari. Question number 3. What was the old name of Karachi? Answer: Mai Kolachi. Question number 4. What was the old name of Jebkabad? Answer: Khangarh. Question number 5. What was the old name of Gujranwala? Answer: Khanpur. Question number 6. What was the old name of Mianwali? Answer: Mian Ali. Question number 7. What was the old name of Lahore? Answer: Mahmudpur. Question number 8. What was the old name of Quetta? Answer: Sialkot. Question number 9. What was the old name of Peshawar? Answer: Parshapur. Question number 10. What was the old name of Faisalabad? Answer: Lailpur. How many answers you know? Comment in below. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.